good-looking
तो
people, good-looking places, and a
places, yeah,
good-looking song.
correct.
है
Good
ना?
looks, good looks,
Good
good
looks,
looks.
good looks, good looks.
गाना itself, it's such a signature. It's got a stamp.
ठप्पा.
विशाल शेखर का ठप्पा है इस गाने के ऊपर.
Where are songs for, female characters and female stories and female singers?
I think it just faded out in last couple of years. It was not just about not having solo songs. It was about female voices not being heard. A lot of people have also realized that those numbers on social media does not matter.
Yeah.
It does not mean the reach. It does not reflect on the success of a song. I think a good song delivered with their best ability. I think that's what matters at the end of the day. And please do not underestimate our audience. I would like to thank Shivaram for giving me a powerful voice. मुझे खुद पे भरोसा नहीं था, as I would put it, कि गुजराती में कैसे लिखूंगी.
Like फिर ले आया दिल रेखा जी का.
Imagine now imagine like if someone did that. Did something else to that composition, it would not be fair to the song,
True.
So yeah, I think every song has its own destiny, it has its own calling.
हम दोनों को. I want to just say that this song brings me back to like 2000s Vishal Shekhar, Anjana Anjani road trip, vibing, Shruti Pathak ki awaaz, it's all happening.
Yes.
Mubarak ho on this
Thank you.
Like, this song, Shruti, has been on my playlist since the day it launched. Okay,
Yeah,
I think sometime in December it dropped.
Yes.
I must have heard it every day at least.
Wow.
We have been playing it on Fever. Nice. And I hope that you've heard it as well.
I love it.
So,
I love it.
Thanks, thanks for coming back. Like, this is awesome.
It's always, this is home for me. This feels so much like home. And I'm really happy to be back here. And of course, ये गाना, I'm super thrilled क्योंकि विशाल शेखर के साथ में after working for so many songs, after a long time हम लोग ने साथ में ये गाना किया है. It was really amazing.
Let me just get this straight. Okay, so there's a Dharma film which is massive. There's Vishal Shekhar and Shruti on the vocals. It's a Kartik and Ananya video, which I think is also amazing. I just think it's just one of those cases where all of these great things came together. ये अक्सर नहीं होता है गाने के लिए. गानों की जो किस्मत कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे सारे खिलाड़ी जो हैं number 1 हैं. So, did you know before you went into this song that this would be the kismat, as they say, of this song?
Yes, I did actually. Firstly, गाना itself, it's such a signature. It's got a stamp. विशाल शेखर का ठप्पा है इस गाने के ऊपर. You hear it. मतलब अगर आपको पता भी ना हो गाने के बारे में कुछ भी, पहली बार सुनोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. It's a विशाल शेखर song. Yeah,
I agree.
So, and पिछले कुछ सालों में जिस किस्म का म्यूजिक बन रहा है, I think it's very refreshing to go back a little, So firstly, it has that refreshing vibe. The song is very catchy. It's got like youthful, also the video is very reliable. The hook step and everything. So I think it got everything. मतलब जो सारे ingredients होने चाहिए वो इस गाने में है.
Good looking people, good looking places, and a good looking song.
Correct. Good looks.
But I have to catch you there because you said something interesting, and I've heard you say this before, which is that you, Shruti Pathak, have always been concerned not just about yourself, but also always about the larger good.
Right.
Okay, what is the place of the female voice in today's Hindi original playback world?
Absolutely.
Where are songs for, female characters and female stories and female singers? And I remember you were the first people who spoke about it.
Yeah.
Because without that, a Payalya would have never happened.
True.
Without that, a Marjama could have never happened. So, kahin na kahin, your success has also been closely tied to these stories and to these characters and then these songs.
Yeah.
Can we go back to that conversation? Because
Absolutely.
has that needle moved? मुझे बताओ.
I'll tell you what. So, as you rightly said, कि मेरा पहला गाना ही solo था. you know, फिर पायलिया, फिर रसिया from Qurban.
बिल्कुल.
So in the initial phase of my career itself, I got such great opportunities, such beautiful songs,
yeah.
you know, and you know, I'm a, you know, supporter of you know, women voices,
Yeah.
you know, और वो था. And I think it just faded out in last couple of years.
Sure.
It was very disheartening to see, you know, female songs not being made at
Made
all.
only. Exactly.
और
Exactly.
अगर गाने में it's a duet song, अगर गाने में use भी किया तो 4 line.
हाँ.
So I just felt like it was not just about not having solo songs. It was about female voices
Yeah.
not being heard.
Absolutely.
You know.
Absolutely.
And I'm really glad कि वो shift अब वापस थोड़ा सा आ रहा
आ
है
रहा है?
with songs like आज की रात या तरस. You know, what beautiful songs, you know. So
And I really like you know, the fact that you did this. You mentioned Shilpa's song, you mentioned Jasmine's song, and I feel like that itself, it's such a healthy thing, right?
Yeah.
You spoke about 2 songs right now, which are
Absolutely.
not your own.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel कि when we stand for each other, we stand for ourselves as well.
Absolutely. I mean, a song like Besharam Rang with Shilpa, you know.
Yeah.
So I think वो बदलाव वापस आ रहा है. I really hope it happens in a larger scale, you know. कि मतलब ऐसा ना हो जाए कि साल में एक
ही गाना
आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
You know.
और ये गाने
And considering the success of these songs,
Yeah,
I mean, look at it. You know, considering the massive
readability,
response,
scalability, all of it.
absolutely.
बिल्कुल,
I mean, it has the reach that any other song has.
Of
you know, any
course.
other hit song has.
Of course.
So why is it that, you know, I don't want to take it personally, but it feels very personal.
No, it's very
that,
personal.
you know,
यार मुझे भी गाना गाना है ना. I remember when we were growing up, we had songs by Kavita ji, Asha ji, Lata ji.
Absolutely.
And we would put ourselves in those songs and we would sing आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे.
Absolutely.
And बादलों पे पाँव है, remember बादल पे पाँव है from
Yeah,
Chak De,
yeah,
for
yeah,
example.
absolutely.
And आजा नचले नचले. And you know, the common thing about all of these songs is they were not item songs.
Yeah, they were not.
So I'm sorry to say, but as much as Aaj Ki Raat is a success, and as much as, you know, the other song, which is Besharam Rang, is a success, the truth is that these are songs which are from the male gaze.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
And they're great songs, don't get me wrong, but they can't be the only example of the female song
Absolutely.
today.
Absolutely.
And I feel like Ruki Ruki Si Zindagi with Sunil Chauhan.
Yeah.
Or whenever you take a Shreya song,
Absolutely.
there are so many.
So many. Absolutely.
And Payalia.
Yeah. Payalia or Rasiya or even Marjama for that matter, you know. So, you know, we are capable of, you know, making great music.
Correct. Correct.
Just as music. Let's not think if it's a male song or a female song.
Correct.
We are capable of making it. Why are we not using the female vocals correctly, voices correctly? And then there is also a thought that even the audience is willing to receive it.
Yeah. Yeah.
आप उनको वो दो तो सही.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
And I think that कहीं ना कहीं this also starts with stories, because you know, it's not like you're an indie music artist.
Yeah.
And inshallah, may you be one and may you have your
Of
own
course.
music and all of that. But the truth is that the Bollywood song doesn't come from a singer.
Yeah.
The truth is that the Bollywood song comes from the story and its requirement. और अगर कहानियों में औरतों के लिए जगह ना हो, you know, तो फिर ये गाने कहाँ से आएंगे? You know, then अगर कहानी ऐसी ही हो जहाँ पर मर्द ही हैं, तो फिर है ना आपके पास शरारत from Dhurandhar.
Absolutely.
Dhurandhar is another example, you know, like an Aaj Ki Raat, where
true.
there's many men and there are these women who come in. Great song, great video, don't get me wrong. But the truth is, it's also a song that caters to the male gaze. And I feel like that is a story shift that needs to happen. And as singers, I don't think that we are empowered enough to do that.
Not really.
Yeah.
Because the making process is very different.
Yeah.
You know, we come in right towards the end of that process. You know, so I think it has to start from the very beginning.
What is it like for you, Shruti, today? Like, I really want to deep dive into how does a singer finally land the song? Now, you are Shruti Pathak. You don't need any introductions. Your songs come before you. But is it still today a struggle? And I'm saying it could be the same struggle for you and an Arijit.
Right.
You know.
Absolutely.
What is the process like to actually find that song today also? Is it that hard?
So, I think अभी बीच में कुछ सालों में वो प्रोसेस एक्चुअली चेंज हो गया. जो पहले था कि ओके यू हैव अ गुड वॉइस, यू हैव अ डिफरेंट टेक्सचर, और you know you are a good singer, you will you have to go meet music directors and they will choose you for
Yes,
the
of
song
course.
according to the requirement
बिल्कुल.
they feel. Then it changed into, you know, songs were not being made according to the you know situations. So वो काफी
तो ये
change हुआ
गाना
था when
डालते हैं वाली बात है
हाँ
कि ये गाना डालना है
correct.
है ना?
तो वो I think हो रहा था, that changed
A lot of things.
a lot of things.
क्योंकि अगर डालना ही है और अगर कहीं और से इसके कोई रिश्ते नहीं है इस
नहीं
गाने
है,
के,
correct.
तो कोई भी गा ले. तो एक तो ऐसे किसी को ले लो जिनके बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स हो, या
That
फिर
was
ऐसा
also one of the perspectives.
Yeah, talk to us
But
about
now
that.
people are correcting it, because now a lot of people have also realized that those numbers on social media does not matter.
Yeah.
It does not mean the reach. It
Yeah.
does not reflect on the success of a song. You know, a good voice, a good artist will be able to add more value to a song than the numbers.
And I'll give you
You
that
know,
example,
so-
and I'm so happy that this is not an interview, guys. Clearly, this is me and Shruti.
this is a personal
Yeah,
chat.
just chatting like. But you're so right, because Sonu ji के साथ तो वही हुआ ना परदेसिया में. The world went crazy saying
Yeah.
Sonu Nigam is back, because
Yeah.
the truth is Sonu Nigam has sung for 30 years.
Yeah.
And the truth is that it's not a question of how many followers does Sonu Nigam have.
Yeah.
The amazing thing is, as a fan of Sonu Nigam, I'm just happy to hear him again.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think that's the same with fans of you, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. You know, I think a good song delivered with their best ability, I think that's what matters at the end of the day. And please do not underestimate our audience. They are receptive to good music too. You know, but if you don't deliver, how are they going to receive it? So
I'm going to go back in time, and I'm sure everyone's done this with you, but I just want to take you back to the time when there was a song from Kai Poche called Shubharam.
oh yes.
I want to ask you today, when you look back, what is it that you want to thank these songs for? Okay. So why would you, Shruti Pathak on thanking songs? I know it's really funny. But Shruti, what would you thank Kai Poche and Shubharam for?
Shubharam, I would like to thank Shubharam for giving me a powerful voice.
Yeah.
If you see, the previous songs were very soft, husky, love songs.
And there she goes, Rangi Paroda.
Yeah, and that was like, you know, rustic.
Yeah.
The texture needed to be, you know, full throttle.
Also back to your roots.
Yeah, back to my roots, absolutely.
To be proudly Gujarati.
Gujarati. And I also wrote the song.
Way.
So it also gave me that little, because I always thought कि मैं गुजराती में कैसे लिख सकती हूँ. And I remember when Amit Trivedi had called me for this song, he's like, he did not just call me to have me sing it, you know. He called me, but you have to write it, and I'm like, listen, I cannot write in Gujarati because I think in Hindi.
But Amit Trivedi,
you know, or English.
has seen her do that with Payal.
Payal, yeah.
So let's give this context. ये क्यों बोला Amit Trivedi ने? हाँ.
So he's like, nahi, I know you'll do it, and I was like, okay, let me give it a shot. Feel free to throw it in the dustbin, but I'll just give it a thought. क्योंकि मुझे खुद पे भरोसा नहीं था, as I would put it, कि गुजराती में कैसे लिखूंगी, क्योंकि कभी you know, we all think in a certain language. So my most thoughts are in English or Hindi, but Gujarati में was a bit of a challenge. But yeah, when I sat to write it, then it just मेरे अंदर का गुजराती बाहर आ गया पूरा. और फिर वो पेन से पेन के थ्रू पेपर पे भी आ गया. So I think it was a great experience.
Too good. Of course, people have spoken about Marjama a lot to you.
Yes.
But what would you like to thank Criminal for from Ravan?
Oh wow. I think when collab was not a word or a thing, it was my first international collab. Dude.
Yeah, I agree with you. And that was Akon and Vishal Shekhar.
Akon, Vishal Shekhar and myself. I think
agree
it
with
was
you.
iconic, yeah.
And it was great. What a cool song that is.
Yeah.
What do you want to thank Anjana Anjani for? Just that entire soundtrack.
I think it brought my career to the next level.
Sure.
I mean, of course, the love that I received for Marjama and everything I have today is thanks to Marjama. Everything followed after Marjama. But Tujhe Bula Diya and Aas Paas Hai Khuda, I think they just, those two songs just escalated
Yeah.
my entire life.
Right. Yeah.
आज भी इन दो गानों के लिए इतना प्यार मुझे मिलता है, एंड सोशल मीडिया जिसके वजह से लोग रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, it's incredible. आज भी when I go on stage and the moment that chord plays and I start Nada Lagi Ab, and just the audience goes crazy, and yeah, that love is irreplaceable. I think no award can compensate
I
that
agree.
kind of love.
I agree.
Yeah.
The legends of Payalia are so many.
But
But when you look back today, why do you want to thank Payalia?
पायलिया एक्चुअली ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है, पर पायलिया एक्चुअली मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था बिफोर मरजामा, एंड मरजामा ऑब्वियसली पहले रिलीज़ हुआ, सो टेक्निकली मेरा डेब्यू मरजामा से हुआ, पर पायलिया रिकॉर्ड उससे पहले हुआ था, एंड आई ऑल्सो रोट द सॉन्ग, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हाउ Anurag Kashyap also, it was his favorite song from the album, and he called me Payal for the longest time. He's like, I'm not going to address you as Shruti.
Yeah.
You are Payal.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that song has such great memories. It has a process that I was a part of from the very beginning, from the making of the song. So I learned a lot from that song, you know.
You know, I have an observation, which is that, you know, when all of this music was happening, and I'm talking about that 2000s phase, where if you think about it, all these songs that I've named have been from the 2000s.
Yes.
All right?
Late
2001,
yes.
10, and then till 15, whatever, 16. The process of music used to be very interesting then, because there was still music directors doing some moves, जिसे कहते हैं, मतलब वो मस्तियाँ कर रहे थे यार. Amit Trivedi giving an entire song to a singer and saying कि तू लिख भी, तुम बना भी, मैं हूँ तेरे साथ. And this process is very organic, because creativity ऐसे ही होती है.
True.
ऐसे नहीं होती कि आप WhatsApp पे कर लो. You know, आजकल तो मैंने बहुत सुना है कि WhatsApp पे गाने ना केवल गाए जा रहे हैं, भेजे जा रहे हैं, 4 घंटे में गाने बनाए जा रहे हैं.
True that.
But today's most exciting music, and forgive me, except say Dhurandhar, which is Shashwat, and yo Shashwat, what's up? By and large, all the mastis coming from the indie scene.
Yes.
Like Hanuman kind kamal ka gana bana hai, because suddenly you're like, hey, that sound is different.
Yeah.
Shruti, where do you think things have changed?
I think that experimenting just stopped. I think earlier the composers, the directors, and obviously, you know, a composer cannot compose music in their own whim and fancy, you know.
Of course.
The director needs that kind of vision too.
Correct.
Or the director also needs to have the guts to experiment.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So it all starts from like it's
the top.
Yeah, it all starts from the top, and there are too many sources that need to align for a good song to happen, you know. So I think that whole confidence of, you know, taking a chance, that's where
okay, kam ho gaya na?
वो कम हो गया.
But you're so right, because in an Anurag Kashyap film, Anurag Kashyap would take that call.
Yeah.
There is nobody else coming in and saying, you know, and I'm sure you worked with him.
Yeah, absolutely.
So the only boss there was Anurag Kashyap, right?
Yeah.
You had to just make sure कि Kashyap को गाना अच्छा लगे.
Correct.
Lekin I think that over the last couple of years, what might have happened, I'm asking, is that there are many people जिनको गाना अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
Yeah, too many people to please, and you know, when you are trying to please someone, you know, that's that very same moment you lose the creative aspect to it. You know,
absolutely.
Because you are catering to different mentalities.
Ultimately,
so
true,
you
so
know,
true.
And music is not about, you know, mentalities. Music is about just feeling it and letting it flow. And again, I will just come back to the same thing. Why are we underestimating our audience? Our audience is ready for everything. You know, be it in the late 2000s or the 90s or the 70s or even now. People are ready for it. मौका तो दो उनको.
Tamma Tamma would have
Yeah.
never happened with such a long intro.
Yeah.
If it was
yeah,
not
yeah,
Bapida's vision. Yeah, the intro goes on and on.
Yeah.
Choli Ke
Yeah.
Piche would have never been a 8-minute song.
Correct.
If not for Bakshi Saab and of course LP, which is Lakshmikant
Yeah,
Pyarelal,
yeah, yeah.
coming together and Subhash Ghai turning around and saying, my film could get longer because of this song, but this song is really important.
Important. Yes.
Also, these songs move the needle, which
Yeah.
means that अगर plot में अगर चोली के पीछे निकाल दो तो वो plot गिर जाएगा.
गिर जाएगा.
क्योंकि ये गाना ऊपर से नहीं रखा गया है. ये गाना actually plot
it's,
का
it's, a,
हिस्सा
it's
है.
weaved into the story, you know.
So these are all things that bother
Yeah.
me, Shruti. All of these songs have
Yeah.
also been romantic songs.
Yeah.
रोमांस है तो गाने हैं दोस्तों.
बिल्कुल.
वरना औरतें बस नाचेगी मर्दों के लिए. वही हो रहा है. आई एम वेरी बॉदर्ड विद दिस बिकॉज सारे ऐसे एक्शन फिल्में होंगी तो औरत आएगी नाचेगी ना और क्या करेगी.
और क्या करेंगे
जब
बेचारे.
रोमांस का ट्रैक हो तो कभी कभार औरत तो यहाँ पर भी हो सकती है ना.
Of course.
और लड़का भाग रहा है उसके पीछे.
बिल्कुल, why not?
तब
Yes.
जाके मजा आवे गाना बने. But I have noticed that today the romantic songs themselves are very dancey or fast. Though RPM romance का जो है वो बहुत बढ़ गया है.
हाँ.
Where is the space, or is there still space for gentle, intimate love songs?
Absolutely.
Mm.
You know, the fact that पिछले कुछ सालों में
Mhm.
lo-fi versions गानों के
हाँ,
इतने popularize हुए थे या acoustic versions of the song, so meaning people love it,
Yeah.
you know.
Mm.
But of course, I would guess the reason why you know, up tempo love songs are being made is catering to that 30-second
Hook.
reel hook.
Mm.
I think I think that's the only reason, according to me.
But the reprise version of
every
everything.
song, yes. There's a reprise version, there's a lo-fi version. So there are versions and people are loving it. So why not make the song the way you feel it?
Yeah. Because I think there's nothing more insulting than having a great song and then asking someone to do a reprise version. The reprise version is where the song is at really.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
exactly.
And actually वो ज़्यादा
exactly.
popular हो जाता
And you know, every composition has a vibe.
Yeah.
You know, it has a calling. और उसको जबरदस्ती एक बॉक्स में फिट करना. I
like
think
फिर ले आया दिल रेखा जी का.
imagine now imagine like if someone did that did something else to that composition,
Yeah.
it would not be fair to the song,
So
you know.
true.
So yeah, I think every song has its own destiny, it has
yeah.
its own calling.
And I think Sayara did that last year.
Yeah.
Sayara just told us, hello, you know, not just love stories. There are young people everywhere. Young people need
Sure,
love.
absolutely.
Every generation needs its own love story,
yeah,
guys.
absolutely.
We had Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak. We had Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. We had DDLJ.
Yeah, there is a new love, there is a mature love, there is a old soul love.
Yeah.
There's
But
so
every
many
generation needs its love
Yeah,
story.
absolutely.
It needs its
absolutely.
young stars. It needs its young
True,
songs.
true,
It
true.
needs its young and fresh voices.
Yeah, there's no life without love. So, you know, we cannot ignore the fact that there is a huge space out there.
And that's where the new voice will step in. Because a Fahim Abdullah would have never been discovered if it was not a new love story, you know. And I think that's why we need that.
Yes.
This is so lovely, Shruti. I always wanted to sit with you and chat with you.
Thank
लेकिन
you.
तुमने मौका दिया, okay?
Yay.
हम दोनों is such a earworm. Thank you for this song.
Thank you so much for having me. It's been a pleasure talking about things that we don't usually talk about. So.
Yeah.
हाय, मैं हूँ श्रुति पाठक और मैं हूँ जस्ट टू फिल्मी पर रो टॉक्स के साथ.